If you thought mutant soldiers with unstoppable physical and mental powers were nothing more than science fiction, then brace yourselves for what I am about to tell you. In a chilling op-ed, the US Intel chief has warned that China could be breeding genetically modified soldiers. You heard that right. The Chinese regime could be creating mutant soldiers. This possibility has been raised by John Ratcliffe, a former Republican congressman and the director of national intelligence under the Trump administration. Ratcliffe has released an exhaustive report labeling China as the biggest threat to democracy and freedom since the Second World War. He says Beijing is bent on global domination and is giving increasing importance to biotechnology in its military strategy in order to achieve its ambitions. He has warned that Chinese authorities have been conducting human tests on members of the People's Liberation Army in the hopes of developing soldiers with biologically enhanced capabilities. Capabilities like lifting huge weights, infrared night vision, and running at high speeds over extreme distances. Ratcliffe says there seems to be no ethical limit to China's pursuit of power. Time and again, several US-based think tanks have issued similar warnings about soldiers having no physical, physiological, or cognitive limitations. Not too sure about genetic mutations, but the Chinese regime has indeed been working on scientific advancements to boost the capabilities of the PLA troops. In November last year, China's mouthpiece, the Global Times, carried this report about how China was looking to build Iron Man suits that would let soldiers fly. And then 3 weeks back, the Global Times carried another report on how Chinese scientists were developing exoskeletons to be used in high-altitude regions. It said the exoskeleton can effectively save 5 to 10% of the energy spent in walking, climbing, and carrying goods. Ratcliffe's claims may be a little far-fetched, but given that it's China we are talking about, the possibility of mutant soldiers becoming a reality cannot be downplayed. Meanwhile, the Chinese regime has taken note of these claims. The Chinese Foreign Ministry has issued a statement denouncing all such reports and accusing the US government of being engaged in a Cold War mindset. I'll leave you with their response.
In recent years, the US has heavily pushed unilateralism, broken its promises and withdrawn from alliances, damaging multilateralism and global cooperation. Who is the upholder of global peace and who damages the global order? The global community can see at a glance. We hope some US politicians will respect facts, stop its fabrications, stop concocting and spreading the political virus and political lies, stop damaging US-China relations and US-China mutual trust and cooperation. Otherwise, it will further damage the US's reputation and national image.